Doing an oil change on the PT Cruiser. Let's see what we got down here. I might miss. I always make a miss. Let me know if you always make a miss, even though you've done it a billion times. You always make a miss. I don't know. Oil filter came off. I always get my hands greasy, and I never wear gloves because I'm a psycho. But yeah, putting some fresh oil in. I got Mobile one. I went with 10 weight 30 because it's summertime. Something a little more thick for the hot heat. And this is a turbocharged engine with a little bit higher miles. And occasionally I just want the safety when I push it. Yeah, yesterday I took out a Mustang GT, maybe like a 2002 Mustang GT. Had like exhaust, I don't know what else he had, but yep. And then I was like, oops, gotta change my oil. Can't be racing on old oil. So I don't think it's that bad. I didn't have that much miles on it, but it's a little dark actually. You know, with the turbocharged cars, I feel like they get darker fast. And I'm running dirty 93 in here too, so yeah, just an oil change. That's the filter. Now I got a K&N filter. That was a Dillette Advance, so I'm gonna throw that on now. All right, so this is the oil I'm running, the 10 weight 30, the high mileage, because it has over 100K. Or 75K, I guess to consider. And also a K&N filter. Okay, and this should give me another 10 horsepower, hopefully. So we got the filter in there. Scuffed it up while I was putting it in, so it looks a little old, but this is a little oil, and got scuffed up when I was tightening it. And the drain plug is back in. Just nice and snug. Okay. No funnel, gang. Most satisfying part of an oil change when you pour it in. I ain't gonna lie, I did use a funnel, but this is the last bit of drops. It's kind of hard to hold the funnel and record. Oops. Got a little there. Little casualties of war. Little casualties of war I gotta clean up. Alright. They go with this guy here. Full synthetic, you know what I mean? Not half synthetic, full synthetic, you know what I mean? So I was getting a lot of battery acid. So I got this Die Hard, basically a grease you put on each of these, the terminals, and then you put the pad, red for positive and black for negative. So I'm gonna clean it up with a wire brush. I already cleaned some up, tons of it here. I mean, I probably should do a better job, like vacuum it up, but you know how it be. Okay, so that's what it looks like after. Put the, they had some type of silicone grease. I put those on the terminals, cleaned it up a little bit. Not too pretty, but way better than before. So hopefully they'll stop that buildup from happening. Yeah, that could prevent your car from starting and your battery from fully recharging. So that's important, you keep an eye on that.